Hello, this is Tali from the Baked Bean Company, and today we are going to go on an inner city nature walk. Let's see what we can find. There is beauty and nature all around us. We don't have to go far. We don't have to go far from our homes. What's this? Here we have a very special urban tree. This tree seems to only grow at a certain time of year, usually in January. We see them here on the street. Can you find any of these special urban trees anywhere? Another tree! Another! 2 baby trees! Such a beautiful tree. Your baby tree. Now here we have some really very common but very beautiful creations of our urban landscape. They're these beautiful black flowers that rise up from the ground, often near people's houses. They're really, really special, really useful as well. You can use them in many different ways. They help clean and clear our atmosphere a little bit. Can you find any of these special flowers near you? Well, this is a very rare find. We are very lucky. Behind me is an extremely rare natural occurrence in the urban lands. Now, there was a time when we didn't all have our own phones right there in our pockets. If we needed to make a phone call and we were out, what are these guys? Do you guys know what it is? Hello? The inner city zebra. A magnificent beast. A horse at its stable. Ooh, this one's a really nice horse. A stable full of horses. Wow. How many horses have you seen today? A vicious beast! Flock of killer birds. That was close. Unfortunately, this watering hole for local wildlife seems to have dried up, but we hope to see it back soon. Well, thank you for joining me on this urban nature walk. We have seen some fabulous things. There's been some scary moments too. I hope you've enjoyed yourselves, and happy hunting for your own fabulous nature finds in your local area on your daily exercise walk, if that is something that you do. Bye.